In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva to make a basic logo. We'll walk through everything step by step, from opening Canva to choosing a professional template, customizing your design, and finally downloading and sharing your new logo. First, open Canva. Go to the Canva website in your browser or open the Canva app if you're on your phone or tablet. If you don't already have an account, create one using an email address or a social login. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Canva home screen. Now in the search bar at the top of the home screen, type the word logo. You'll see logo appear as a design type. Click on that. This tells Canva that you want to create a logo, and it will automatically set up the right size and show you logo templates that are ready to use. From here, a new page will open with a blank canvas on the right and a huge list of logo templates on the left. Next, choose a professional template. On the left side, you'll see Canva's massive library of logo templates. These are pre-made designs that you can fully customize. You can scroll down to browse or use the filters and search box to narrow things down. For example, you can search for business logo, modern logo, minimal logo, or a specific industry like restaurant, beauty, or fitness. As you hover over each template, you'll see different styles and color schemes. Pick a design that feels close to what you want for your brand. It doesn't have to be perfect yet. Click once on the template you like and it will load onto your canvas. Now you're ready to customize your logo design. Now let's customize your logo design. Click directly on the text in the template to change the brand name to your own. Type in your business name, project name, or personal brand. If there's a tagline or slogan, you can click that text and either edit it or delete it if you don't need it. At the top, you'll see options to change the font size, color, and alignment. Choose a font style that matches your brand personality and keep it simple and easy to read. Next, adjust your colors. Click on any colored element like shapes, icons, or text. Then use the color picker at the top to change it. You can choose from the default colors or add your own custom color by entering a hex code if you have specific brand colors. Try to stick to 2 or 3 main colors so your logo looks clean and professional. If your template includes icons or graphics you don't like, click on them and hit delete on your keyboard or use the trash icon. Then to add a new icon, go to the Elements tab on the left. Search for something that matches your business like camera, coffee, leaf, or tech. Click an icon you like and it will appear on your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corners and move it into place by clicking and dragging. From here, get creative with more design features. You can adjust spacing between letters by selecting the text and using the spacing options at the top. You can duplicate elements by selecting them and using the copy shortcut or the duplicate button. You can also layer elements by sending items forward or backward so they sit in front of or behind each other. You can explore more in the Elements tab for simple shapes like circles, lines, and boxes to frame your text or create a minimal logo. In the Text tab, you can add extra text if you want a small tagline or subtitle. If your logo needs an icon-only version and a full text version, you can duplicate the page at the top, then modify the second version so you have 2 logo variations ready to go. Keep zooming in and out using the zoom controls at the bottom to make sure everything looks sharp and centered. Use the alignment guides that appear when you move elements to keep things balanced. Small tweaks here make a big difference to your final logo. Once you're happy with your logo, it's time to download, share, and start building your brand identity. Click the Share button or the Download button at the top right. For general use, choose PNG for a clean, high-quality image. If you have the option, check Transparent Background so you can place your logo on different colors or images without a white box behind it. Then click Download and wait for the file to save to your device. You can also create multiple versions by changing colors or layouts and downloading each one. From here, use your new Canva logo on your website, social media, business cards, and marketing materials to build a consistent brand identity. That's all you need to use Canva to make a basic logo. Open Canva, search for logo, choose a professional template, customize your logo design, get creative with the design features, then download and share your logo to start building your brand.